For that story, let's bring in Brent Thill, the research analyst over at Jefferies, covers many of these big hyperscaler-type names. Brent, earlier this hour, we spoke with Apollo Global's chief economist, Torsten Slok, and he flagged specifically hyperscale issuance, debt issuance, as one of the concerns that he has for this coming year. Just how big of a deal is it for Oracle and these other big mega-cap tech companies to finance their AI ambitions?
Yeah, it's a big deal. It's the number one overhang. As we've said, we're moving from an era of AI hype to an era of AI show me. So can you produce the revenue? Can you produce the actual infrastructure? And it's obviously going to require a lot of capital. Oracle has highlighted that their margins go down, the capital requirements go up, CapEx goes up. And this is all dependent really on OpenAI's success. So the success of Oracle is going to be directly linked to how well OpenAI's financials are. And there hasn't been really a great degree of clarity given by Oracle about how this is going to get done, other than they feel very confident in OpenAI's capabilities to do this. So our perspective is there are going to be a couple leaders. Obviously, OpenAI and Google Gemini right now are leading. And so our belief is that OpenAI will be able to make do on this commitment. There's direct signs. They're moving harder into the enterprise, away from the consumer market. So how do you monetize this? You sell it to large enterprises, and they've made several initiatives at OpenAI to run that enterprise business, which could be absolutely enormous. And that's going to potentially be a big avenue of funding as they build that business out. So long term.
Brent, I'm sorry to interrupt, but I think you are hitting on maybe the most important market story going right now, and that is OpenAI. OpenAI is a private company, so we don't know a lot about the books. We have OpenAI run by Sam Altman, who periodically shows up, kind of mussy hair, and he'll be like, I'm going to give away 10 gigawatts of energy. The CFO has had a couple jobs prior to this one. There's a lot of people I know in the Valley that are just worried about OpenAI, not because of the company, but just because it's private. They don't know. And how much of the Oracle and AI story is effectively this? You've got a rich uncle that you know is rich, but you're not really sure how rich, kind of secretive uncle, that's OpenAI, and they say, don't worry, buy a home, Brent, I'm going to pay for it. I've got you covered. So you buy a house, you better darn well hope that that rich uncle comes through on their commitments. That rich uncle is OpenAI. Do you worry about them at all?
We worry, but we're not as worried because of the quality of the team that they're assembling. So let me give you an example. They just hired Denise Dresser to run enterprise sales. They didn't have a real great go-to-market leader. She's run many companies in the past, including Salesforce for 13, 14 years, and been Benioff's kind of right hand and helping run many initiatives. So, when they're adding, the rich uncle's adding new people like this to the family, you get more confident that they're on the right track. I think secondarily, when you look at, there's only a few in AI that win, right? So this isn't a 20 vendors win. This is 3 win. Look at what happened with Google. Look what happened with Microsoft. Look at what happened in any past cycles. There's number one vendor gets 60, 70% of the market share. And right now it's basically OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google and a couple others. There's not like a laundry list of many names. So we have a little more confidence that rich uncle is good for it because of the rules of AI, which is you need capital, you need users, you need data, and OpenAI has those things. And then they haven't even cracked the code in the enterprise. I think that's the 26, 27 story, where big companies like our firm, other firms start paying OpenAI a lot of money for their service. Again, yeah, there's a lot that's contingent upon what happens at OpenAI, and it's hard. To your point, it is really hard, and I think that's why Oracle stock is trading now half. Literally, if they get to $20 of earnings power, which is their target, and you put a 20 multiple on it, which is not aggressive, that's $400. It's half that multiple right now.